welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 M10A1 Wolverine, specifically focusing on preventive maintenance, PM. Whether you're a new crew member or just brushing up your knowledge, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to keep the Wolverine mission ready at all times. Let's get started. What is the M10A1 Wolverine? First, a quick refresher, the M10A1 Wolverine is the latest armored bridging vehicle in the U.S. military's arsenal. Designed for rapid deployment and mobility, it uses the M1 Abrams chassis for durability and off-road performance. Its primary mission? Deploying a 26-meter bridge in under 5 minutes, allowing troops and armored units to cross rivers, gaps, or other terrain obstacles under combat conditions. Why preventive maintenance, PM, matters. The Wolverine is a high-tech, heavy-duty vehicle, but like any machine, it's only as reliable as its maintenance. Preventive maintenance ensures that small issues don't become mission-stopping failures. PM isn't just about turning wrenches, it's about discipline, readiness, and safety. A well-maintained Wolverine doesn't just support the mission, it is the mission. Daily PM checklist. Let's break down your daily PM tasks, typically performed during the before, during, and after operation phases. 1. Before operation. Visual inspection, walk around the vehicle. Check for leaks, fluid spots, or visible damage. Fluid levels, check engine oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, and fuel. Top off as needed. Battery check, ensure terminals are clean, cables are tight, and the battery is charged. Track and suspension, inspect for wear, loose bolts, or debris lodged in the track assembly. Bridge system check, visually confirm the bridge is properly stowed and locked. Look for damage or misalignment. 2. During operation. Gauges and alerts, monitor engine temperature, hydraulic pressure, and other warning indicators. Listen for irregularities, grinding, knocking, or hissing noises may indicate mechanical issues. Bridge deployment, ensure smooth operation. If the bridge skips, stalls, or shakes, stop and inspect. 3. After operation. Refuel and top off fluids, always return the Wolverine ready for its next mission. Clean equipment, remove mud, sand, and debris especially around hydraulic lines and joints. Record maintenance notes, log any issues found during operation, even if minor. This helps long-term upkeep. Weekly monthly. In addition to daily checks, weekly and monthly PM is more thorough. Weekly tasks. Check torque on track and suspension bolts. Inspect the hydraulic arm systems and bridge deployment mechanism for wear and proper lubrication. Test communications and onboard diagnostics systems. Monthly tasks. Full system diagnostic using the onboard maintenance interface. Grease all fittings and replace filters if necessary. Test the backup power system and all safety features, including fire suppression. Common PM issues to watch for. Even with top-tier design, the M10A1 has a few common PM concerns. Hydraulic line leaks, often due to debris impacts or worn seals. Electrical faults, especially in bridge deployment sensors and control panels. Track tension, if the Wolverine's track tension is off, it affects mobility and can cause track loss. Always address these issues immediately, or report them up the chain. Final thoughts. The M10A1 Wolverine is a beast, but it demands respect. Staying on top of preventive maintenance means fewer breakdowns, faster bridge deployment, and safer missions. Whether you're on your first assignment or you're a seasoned operator, PM is your responsibility and your best defense against mission failure. Got questions or want a full PMCS walkthrough? Drop them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more military tech content. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and keep that Wolverine combat ready. Would you like a printable version or a script format for on-camera delivery?